insane. Oh, yo. Okay.
For your safety.
Oh my god. Okay guys, so today is the opening day of Disney's Galaxy's Edge at Disney World in Orlando, Florida, and I'm about to go. It is about, I can't tell time, it's about 1 in the morning, and I'm about to go meet up with some friends from my class at Full Sail University. As you guys may not know, I go to school down here in Florida, so you know what not to do. It's our day off. The one day off we had during the week was today, and today is the day that Galaxy's Edge opens in Disney World, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm gonna bring you guys along. We're gonna be camping outside of Disney. I don't know how it's gonna go. Let's just see what happens. All right guys, so me and my guy Tyler right here. Hey. We are going to Hollywood Studios. Right now it is about 2:15 in the morning. You can see the line right there, the end of the line, it's over there.
That line doesn't go all the way to the front though.
Oh really, it doesn't?
Nah, they don't let you over by the front of Hollywood yet.
Okay, so that guy just said that's not the line that goes right to the front of the park, but it's some line, so we're about to see where this goes. Yo, this is getting really hostile. But this is the first bus of operation from today's day at Disney. And they all just beat us. They didn't have to wait in that long ass line. We just did. Alright, made my way to the front. This is crazy! Yeah. Just waiting right now. Pandemonium. It's crazy. Yeah, what do you have to say?
Good morning, folks. It is what? 3:54. 3:54, and we are ready to rock.
Thank you. Good morning. Perfect. Right, awesome. Go. Everyone's like, oh, we're stopping here. Okay. Okay.
Bobby.
This is amazing!
Welcome, Bright Sons, everyone! Thank you for joining us! Bright Sons! Bright Sons, friends, how are you? Yeah. That's when it's
Yo, look at this! This is crazy!
Welcome!
Alright guys, we just got on the standby line for Smuggler's Run, the new ride at Disney World. This is insane. Oh man, look at this. Alright, so this is the back side of the Millennium Falcon right here. It's crazy.
Does that look exactly like the Millennium Falcon? You are our first guest to use our extended queue.
Great, awesome.
Rising moons, guys.
Little view of that.
Rising moons, guys.
Oh my god. Bro, this is crazy. Feels like I'm dreaming because I haven't even gone to bed yet. So this is like all a dream right now. This is crazy. Like, look at this right here. Like, what are you? Yo, the Millennium Falcon's like right there. Look at all the people. Oh, I can't even believe that we are one of the first people to get on this line today.
Bright Sons travelers.
this room is now?
Another group of flight candidates.
Bro, I thought that was a real person for a second.
But without the bounty on your head, it's...
Pilot! Bro, we're... Okay. Okay, bro. We're in the Millennium Falcon. Oh, yo! Pilot. I'm a pilot. That means I'm gonna be in the front. That's cool.
All right, my blue credentials. Pilot's right here, side by side. My pilots, you're flying the ship, okay? I'll take that real quick. You're going left and right. You're going up and down. Now down is up is down. You got it? All right, hang tight right here.
Oh, yo, you're like vlogging?
All right, don't bring it back with
Are you vlogging?
Not really. I'm just recording and I'll never do anything with it.
All right. Any questions?
Any question?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
I hope so.
Oh gosh. And don't crash the ship, okay?
Gotcha.
Your holo scan, everything, okay?
All right, great.
Get going.
Yo. Oh, yo. Where do we go? Where do we go? All right, we're just walking through. Oh my god. Yo, we're in the Millennium Falcon right now. Oh, yo. Okay. So we got some things on the floor.
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. Come closer.
You're there.
Ah, a brand new flight crew.
Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god. This is insane. Oh, yo. Okay.
For your safety.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man. We're in the Millennium Falcon.
We are.
Activate your console. Left and right, right?
Alright, cool.
Pull up on the yellow tab.
Yellow tab,
Choose automatic.
Back on the stick to fly out. Push forward to fly down. Julie, my bad. This thing look easy, eh? Weapons are on right.
That's you.
Left pilot. See, just as I promised, my friend.
Down. Okay.
Tyler, you got the front. Yo!
Let's get out. Life support failure. That okay? That's something.
Alright guys, we just did it. We just rode the ride, the new ride here at Disney, and there's stairs here. Almost fell down.
This is not supposed to be open until 20 minutes from now.
Oh yeah, that's true. Awesome, we did great. Yeah, we're outside. Yo, there's people getting interviewed over here. Yo, yeah, what is this place, bro?
Docking Bay, I think 7. It's either 7 or 9.
This is dope. This is dope, bro. Like, it doesn't even feel like we're in Disney right now. Like, this is crazy. About to get some blue milk. See how that tastes. All right, guys, I'm trying blue milk. I don't know how it's gonna taste. Let's see how it is. Bro, what? This is like weird. I don't even. What does this even taste like? Oh, I'm about to give myself a brain freeze.
That's the toy shop. And here's your creature area over here. So it's really cool.
Yo.
Hey, Chewie.
I've been highlighting far too much.
Hey.
Well, hello there. Too much fantastic.
You, traveler, what are you doing with that data pad?
I'm filming you.
That does sound important. I'd offer you one of our restricted frequencies for emergency use only, but you're already on it. Stick to civilian channels. Civilian. Enjoy your day.
Alright guys, so we rode Rock and Roller Coaster and Tower of Terror. It is about 9:30 I think or something like that. It's very early in the morning still, but to us, we've been here since park opened and that was around 4 in the morning. That's pretty much it.
I loved it. It's a blast. It was exactly as crazy as I thought it was going to be, but we had a ton of fun. We got to ride the ride. We didn't wait too long. You guys got blue milk, which was awesome.
Oh yeah.
We got to check the land out, got some really cool photo passes, and just experience it on opening day, which is just absolutely awesome. Now it's just time to sleep, get some rest.
All right.
So we can do it all again another day.